Hey friends, welcome to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a best cleaner or optimizer that any laptop user or any computer user should have. So the cleaner that I'm referring to is the Advanced System Care. So let's click this to show you why I'm saying that it is one of the best cleaner that you must have. Okay, as you can see here at the left side, you have here five options: Care, Speed Up, Protect, Software Updater, and Action Center. So let's go to the first one, Care. So it has this AI mode and manual mode. So let's go to this manual mode. As you can see here, it has these things that you wanted to scan. So you just have to mark check under this or beside this and then choose those things that you wanted to scan. So it has this privacy sweep to erase your activity history and surfing traces, system optimization to optimize and repair system configuration, antivirus to definitely protect your laptop from any antivirus products, so spyware removal to remove all security threats, junk file clean to clean all your junks and to recover space, internet boost, firewall, security reinforce to reinforce the security of system, and then shortcut fix to scan and fix invalid shortcuts, registry defrag to optimize registry to increase PC performance, hardware health to scan and update outdated drivers, vulnerability fix to fix all the vulnerabilities, registry clean to clean your registry to improve your computer, desk optimization to optimize hard disk in your computer, software health to scan and update outdated software, and last is disk check to scan and fix disk errors. So all you have to do is to mark check on the things that you wanted to scan and then just simply click this to fix all the driver issues in just a click. Okay, let's go to the second one, which is the speed app. So good thing about this speed app is that it notifies you about the current state of your computer. So as you can see, my PC is running smoothly because I have just done optimizing my PC using this. So all you have to do is you turn on the work mode to release RAM. So I have just released 465 MB. So next is Startup Optimizer to optimize your computer to disable unnecessary startup items to boot your PC faster. And next is Hardware Accelerator to update your drivers just automatically. Okay? And then here app or extension center to uninstall unnecessary apps on your computer. Real-time tune up to monitor and optimize system resources in real time for a smoother computer. And last is more optimization tools to further improve your PC's performance with more tools. Okay? You just have to turn on this, manage, install those drivers that are out to date, and then select this app extension to install now and then click this. Okay, next is and third one is protect. So here in the protect, it notifies you also about your computer. So as you can see, my PC is not fully protected by advanced system care. So I needed to turn on some of this. So for particularly the browser protection to prevent online threats. So basically it notifies you about the current state of your computer to completely care about your computer. Okay? Last is, I know, the fourth one is software updater. So here, it notifies you about the outdated software in your computer. So as you can see, I have 9 outdated software. So as you can see, here are the lists that are needed to update. So I'll just update this later. So next is the Action Center. So here in the Action Center, it recommends you software that will get better security protection and performance and will boost your software in your computer. Okay? So all of these five functions are very important in your computer to maintain its best performance. Okay? So the last part of our video for today is I'm going to show you how to download. Okay? You just have to simply click Google Chrome here and then click that. And then once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, you just have to simply search IOBet Advanced System Care Free in the Windows search bar. Let's go to this first result, tap that, and then select the first option, the first link, click that. And then here, you just have to click this free download. So enjoy using Advanced System Care Free in your computer. And good thing about this Advanced System Carefree is it has this icon here and it helps you to keep an eye about your computer, about its RAM usage, its CPU temperature. So I have this 86% RAM, CPU temperature 51%. So it helps you to keep on track about your computer. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the like and bell button to be updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.